Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Idea Tab Plus 12.1 Matte Edition, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find Wallpapers and Themes. So here let's tap on Curated Local Wallpapers, but of course you can choose local albums, so you can set your own photo as a wallpaper. But I will pick something from the pre-installed ones, and here we've got different options from which we can choose. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use, and your device will immediately show it on the full screen. So now just tap on Set as Wallpaper, and here we can decide where we want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Let's wait a second, of course, be patient with that process. Alright, now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.